Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're reviewing both of the Maniere Air Max 95, the hand wash cold and the While You Were Sleeping. I'm going to pick my favorite because both of these are absolute bangers. But without further ado, let's get right into this. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves. Today, that's right, guys, I'm reviewing the Maniere hand wash cold and I'm reviewing the actual While You Were Sleeping Maniere Air Max 95. I'm going to give you my favorite. This is a comparison video, so I'm going to give you my favorite. I'm going to take a look at both of these sneakers, break them down. If you haven't checked the review out, go onto my channel and you can actually see the reviews. I'll probably leave the description, or I'll leave the actual reviews in the description so you can go and check them out. But guys, both of these are absolutely amazing. Both of these are different kind of variations of the sneaker. But before we look at the sneakers, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATL. Go and show him some love and support because he always comes and shows the channel love and support. And also please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always have sneaker court or public opinion, and we always kind of give our opinion on the actual verdict or on the actual case and just basically break it down. And also please keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to hit your goals, to hit your targets, to make sure you keep elevating and growing, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning because you need to be awesome, you need to be great, and you need to kind of get to your goals at the end of the day, because that's the most important thing. That's what I want in this channel, because I want you to make sure you grow and you elevate. But without further ado, guys, let's take a look at these two banging sneakers. So as you know, guys, and as you can see, guys, both of these actual Maniere Air Max 95s are special, very special sneakers. A different take to the actual Air Max 95 in itself, but a very special sneaker to have on your toes. We're going to have a look at both of these sneakers because both of these sneakers are very special individually. But how I'm going to break it down on this channel is actually look at the presentation, the actual colorway, because both of the sneakers in terms of the leather and the suede is pretty much identical in terms of how it is and how it feels and the quality. We're going to look at that, and plus also we're going to have a look at the individual details that makes them different, the meaning behind the actual sneakers, and also on top of that what I feel like I would wear more, because it's going to come down to wearability. I feel it's going to come down to what's going to be the most wearable sneaker and what is going to be like my favorite in terms of how regularly I'm going to wear it. Let me know your favorites while I'm doing the review. Let me know what you would choose. Let me know what you're leaning towards, because it's going to be a great conversation. But without further ado, let's have a look at the presentation, because that's where it comes down to. When you get the box and you actually present it with the box and you look at it and you open it up, that's where it comes down to. And we know with the While You Were Sleeping box, it came with this almost like a presentation box, almost like a Jubilee 25th anniversary Jordan 11 box. And you know, if you actually have a look at a Jubilee 11 box, it opens up the same way, or not the same way, but it opens up and you present the sneaker. And just like the actual While You Were Sleeping, while I reach back, is the same thing. You actually have to open this up and you get the A on the top, like I'm going to show you guys. Here you go, and that is how it's presented. I like the packaging, I like the way it came, I like the actual shroud that comes with the box, I like all the actual little elements that come with the box. Actually gonna say this, Maniere didn't give me two laces, they gave me the laces on the sneaker, so I'm missing two laces, which was kind of like a disappointment, but I can live without it because I keep the laces like they were actually coming with a sneaker, because I feel like they match better. I would love to have the other laces. I did actually reach out to Maniere, didn't get back to me, but I will try to get the other laces because I feel like I need them to actually experiment with them with the actual While You Were Sleeping. But that's the actual While You Were Sleeping box, and we know already, if you haven't seen the review, go and check out the review. That was the last review I did, because we know already with the, as I reach around, with the actual hand wash cold box, it was almost like this 3M box that came with it. I like this box. It's very special, it's very unique in its way. It's the first time I think they've done a box like this. I got all this stuff on it, this actual sticker keeps coming off, like I said in the review. This is the first time they've done a box like this. It pops like 3M, but I'm gonna say I do like the actual While You Were Sleeping presentation. It came with a lot more, even though the laces were missing, even though I got the laces with this one, the 3 laces that came with the actual hand wash cold actual pack, or the hand wash cold Air Max 95. I'm missing the 2 laces from the While You Were Sleeping, but still I do like the actual presentation on the box. I do like the presentation of how it was presented, the actual open box, the A, silver A to actually mark the anniversary for Maniere. I like that, and the whole meaning behind While You Were Sleeping is we're still working, we're still plugging away, we're still doing everything and grinding constantly. And we know obviously with the hand wash code, it's all about respect, the philosophy of intent, always actually grinding, always actually giving back to the community, and always kind of giving respect and actual looking after the people within that community. I like that meaning. Both of the actual sneakers have dope meanings, and I think both of them equally are as great as each other. Grinding and always giving back to the community is always a thing you need to keep doing, because obviously when you get into that position, you need to give back, and you need to keep raising people, and you need to keep elevating people. And this is what I like doing on this channel, is always elevating. If you are actually in trouble, I always reach out, especially if you know me, I always reach out and try and actually help people. And that's what actually I believe community is, rather than actually being individual and actually trying to get things and being selfish. I think that's actually a bad trait in community. It's all about helping each other, and this is why I always try and help and assist people as much as possible, because I want everybody to win on this channel, and that's what it's all about for me personally. But let's take a look at these colorways, because I'm gonna say the hand wash code is a very dark colorway. It's got more elements, even though the actual hand wash code Air Max 95, it's got this almost like this, like I said in the review, gray, like almost like this dirt gray actual midsole. It is literally like a darker kind of colorway, because it's got more of a dark element to it, and especially if you take it back a bit, it gets darker and darker in terms of the light. The bro actually told me he's actually worn this, and he said if you wear this in the light, it gets even more darker, which means it's more of a darker sneaker in reality. But when you pull out the actual While You Were Sleeping, as you can see, it's instantly lighter than the actual hand wash code. And you can see that even though the midsole is black, and even though most of the color is more chocolatey, I feel that that gray, or that almost like that fossil stone on this, makes it pop a bit more in terms of just a lightness. It just draws lightness. In comparison, when I pull these both up, you can see that the hand wash code is literally a darker sneaker, and I like that. I like that with that sneaker. And as you can see, the comparison between the two, you can see the differences. The colorway on the hand wash code is so dope. I like that actual purple violet, I like the metal violet, I like the faded jade on it, I like the black infusion on it. But this sneaker is very chocolatey. I'm gonna give you one thing though, when I actually got this in hand, I actually love this a bit more, and I pulled these out today, and the bro pulled it out on the actual podcast and actually showed me. I feel like I appreciate the actual While You Were Sleeping way more than I used to last year when these are in hand, because it just is a beautiful comparison. Look at the two sneakers, guys. It is such phenomenal sneakers in hand. The actual quality on them is the same. The little detailing I'm gonna go through is different, where in the actual medial panel, you get this A there. I think it's the medial panel actual medial panel. You get the A there at the back, which is the Maniere A. But on the hand wash codes, and this is one of the bros actually messaged me today and said this is crazy on the actual hand wash codes. You got the hand wash code actual symbology actually embossed on that sneaker, but on that faded jade. That is super fire. I think everything else is the same on the sneakers except for the tongues. You can see the tongues are a little bit lighter. The tongue tags are different. This is a darker tongue tag with the actual fusion of the colors on it, and you got the same thing with the fusion of the colors on the actual tongue tag. But I feel like everything else is the same. You've got the inscription of Maniere on the toe. You've got the inscription on Maniere on the toe. These two are absolutely beautiful sneakers, and if you were able to get both of these, you were really lucky. I feel like they were easier to get, but these are special sneakers to have in your rotation, and I would never wear them like this. You gotta wear them like it is a pair. You can't wear them like this. It just doesn't look right. I must say, both of these were super goats. I gave them both super goats. I gave them both fantastic ratings. I feel like the quality on both of these are great. There's some glue stains on both of these. They're just identical sneakers, but the colorway and the presentation of the box makes me feel like both of these are so special. But I'm gonna say this, I feel like the most wearable sneaker is a darker variation of the hand wash code. I made the review and I said on the review that I was going to do the comparison, but I was leaning towards this. And the more I look at this, and with the black laces, like I said, I was going to put the speckled black laces in, the blue speckled black laces. It's just fire to me. Absolutely dope and absolutely fantastic. And this sneaker made me love the While You Were Sleeping way more. And I feel like I'm going to pop this out a bit more. Even though I actually picked the hand wash codes, I feel like this is still a fantastic sneaker. Maniere absolutely killed the actual rendition of the Air Max 95. Both of these are absolutely beautiful. You can't tell me that both of these aren't beautiful. The actual hand wash code and the While You Were Sleeping is such a beautiful, beautiful rendition. I can't wait to see the next Air Max 95. These are different, these are special, these are actually leaning towards the silhouette. Totally different to the actual Air Max 95s in their own way. Leather infused, suede infused, quality on point, absolutely beautiful. Different colorways, different styles. Even though you get some of that gradient on that sneaker, even though you got a chocolate knee on the actual While You Were Sleeping, these two are absolutely beautiful sneakers. Let me know your thoughts. I'm just enjoying these sneakers while they're in my hand. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite is. Let me know what you're picking, because it's going to be a hard choice. A lot of people are leaning toward the hand wash code because it's a newer silhouette. I feel, like I said, it's a more wearable one. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what you're picking, because it was always a hard choice. Because when I popped the actual While You Were Sleeping out today, I thought I was going to change my mind, because there's chocolatiness on the sneaker, or the chocolatiness on this actual While You Were Sleeping is beautiful, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're picking, because both of those sneakers are super goats. I'm glad to have them in rotation. I hope you were able to cop them and have them in your rotation to wear and to actually love, because both of them are absolutely beautiful sneakers in my personal opinion. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you feel. Let me know what you're picking. Let me know. Let's have that discussion. But as I do at the end of reviews, at the end of the actual video, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.